Here is Levi's Mama and Papa's bedroom fan. And the lighting doesn't let you see. Here's his remote in here. It's black, so you can't see it very well. It's got some glow-in-the-dark strips on it so that if it gets misplaced, it's easier to find. We're going to start on, what do you think, Levi? What should we start on?
No.
You want to start on low? Let's see if I can get to low right away. You're hoping for it to go to high now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. So that should be off. Oh, here, don't get in. Don't. Okay, I believe that is high. Do you agree, Levi? Now you would like to go to straight to off and have a spin down? Okay. I don't think that's off. My remote's being a little snarky, isn't it? Levi chose fast music today. This one is called Freestyle Rap Beat. Hard boom bap type beat. Okay. Is that spinning down, Levi?
Yeah.
It is? Okay. Should I turn off the light?
Yeah.
Let's see what it looks like with the light off. Is it too dark in here? Oh, you can hardly see it. What do you think? Leave it off or turn it back on?
Off.
Off. Okay. Here we go. Levi's using his hands to say that he wants to shut the curtains. But if we shut the curtains, we won't be able to see this fan at all. I would have to turn the light back on if you want me to shut the curtains.
Yeah.
Okay, so by Levi's request, I'm going to turn the light on. And then the curtains. And we'll just do a quick look and see what it looks like with curtain shut, light off. Mama and Papa's bedroom. Let's find out. Well, you can see it a little bit, I guess. There's that fan. Oops. Let's get your... Yep. Fan slowing down. Oh, I guess our spin down's longer than the music.
No. No.
You don't like that music?
No.
Oh, there you go. We'll finish up our spin down with that.
Anabolic beat.
With the anabolic beats.
No.
Nope. We're gonna leave it.
Yeah.
That's how we're gonna leave it. You can choose something different next time. My vote was for banjo music, but Levi said no to my idea of banjo music. almost done. That'd be frustrating if you push stop on the video before it spun all the way down, huh? I think that this is the second longest spin down in the house. Or maybe it might be the most. There's one of our living room fans that takes a long time to spin down as well. Yeah.
Scout.
You wish Scout was in here to
Yeah.
dance? Well, our spin down's almost over. We can dance with Scout in a little bit. I bet we'll have to have Scout in one of these videos, huh? Maybe our next video can feature Scout helping us, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So close. Okay, I think that's it. I'm going to turn the light back on. All right. Yep, it's off, and so now it's time to turn off the video. Okay, have a super day.